Okay, so 25 LLM calls, one task. This is what a default CrewAI agent look like in production. And I'm going to show you exactly why it's happened and how to stop it. So CrewAI set max iteration to 25 by default, which sounds fine, right? But here is the thing nobody tells you. There's no time limit at all. So on a vague task, your agent just keep trying 25 times. Each time it calls the LLM. 3 agents in a crew, that's a 75 API calls minimum before anything finishes. Let me show you what this actually look like. I'm giving it a task that look like totally reasonable. Find the top 3 open issues in this repo and suggest fixes. Watch the terminal. See that every lines in new LLM calls iteration 1, 2, 3. It's keep going. Each one cost money. It's not converging, it's just spinning. And it won't stop until it's hit 25. Watch the final count. Now 25 LLM for one task. If you are running this 100 times a day, that's 2500 LLM calls daily. Do the math on GPT-4o pricing. Alright, 2 parameters, that's it. First, max iterations equal to 5. For most tasks, 5 is genuinely enough. If your agent can't figure it out in 5 attempts, it's probably not going to figure it out in 25 either. So it will just cost you more to find that out. And the second parameter is max execution time equal to 60. This one is the important one. This is your hard stop, a circuit breaker. Doesn't matter what the agent is doing, 60 seconds, it's done, no exception. Same task, same agent, 2 lines added. Now let's see. Five calls, clean exit. 20 fewer LLM calls per run. 80% cost reduction, and you will still get the same answer. I keep running into stuff like this. Things that work fine in dev and quietly break in production. I'm going to keep making these. Subscribe if that's useful to you.